Oh yes, I forgot to tell you in the last video, I forgot to tell you about the Ajax milling machine, which I'm working on at the minute, intermittently. I've stripped the paint off the main casting, basically, or most of it. There's still residual bits, but I think I'm going to just try and sand these now. I've discovered that a good way to get paint off is to use a paint stripper gel. And then, after that's had a chance to do its magic, blast it with the pressure washer. It's a lot easier than messing about with brushes and rubber gloves and so on. Much more enjoyable too. I always like using a pressure washer. So there it is. It's going to be given a final sand down, and then I'm going to paint it black. Decided to go for black on this machine. It's got a kind of quite a forbidding, imposing look about it, and I think black will be quite impressionnant, as they say in France. And I'm seriously thinking about making this into a CNC machine, so that'll be pretty cool. Nice nameplate there. Look at that, all very nicely made. And round the other side, lots of rust there, even on the machined surfaces, which will clean off easily, I think. So there we go. I just thought I'd add that in. Work in progress.